What's up, everybody? Kjtorris here with tonight's 7-box Pick Your Team Football Mixer. Today's date is May the 1st, 2015. I'm only here because of you. So thank you. So here we go. We got 2 boxes of Supreme. We did a randomizer beforehand. Killed the box numbers 2, 3 on the Supremes. Black Gold, we had box number 3. Absolutes, we came up with boxes 6, 9. And Museum, we came up with the boxes 1 and 3. All right, so our break order tonight it's going to be Black Gold, Supreme, Absolute, and then Museum. Here we go. Read off the teams. Good luck, everybody. All right, so the Cardinals and the Falcons and the Ravens going to West Side. Bob, we had a baby eats a boy. Go with the Bills and the Panthers. West Side's got them Bears. Bobby got them Bengals. Steve, you got the Brown Eyes. Dick Insider, you got the Cowgirls. Boss Hog with the Lions. That chick, you got them Broncos and the Packers. Boss Hog with the Texans. Bob, we had a baby pizza boy with the Colts. That chick with the Jags. West Side with the Chiefs. Jacob, you got them Fins. The Vikings going to Matt. West Side with the Patriots. Steve, you got them Saints. G-Man going to Matt. West Side with the Jets, the Raiders, the Eagles. That chick with the Steelers. Chargers and the 49ers, the West Side. Tommy's got them Seahawks. The Rams going to Corey M. You got Mojo. Matt, you got them Bucks. West Side with the Titans and the Skins. There's your teams. Yeah, Wes freaking peed on this break. He said mine. All right, first up. Gold. I'm able to put a black gold anymore. Yeah, he's sweating. That's right, buddy. You're probably going pretty good. You have too many teams out of his. Yeah, I guess you have. Here we go. Oh, my favorite football product of the year. Get a great deal out of the quarter today at your home. All right, first up for the Eagles, Nick Foles, 29 out of 109. He's no longer an Eagle, though. Next up, for the Jets, number 106 out of 149 to Eric Decker. Music going? Okay, give me one that we got the music. And for the Bucks, that's another low ASJ, number 35 out of 299. Bucks, that's going out to Matt. And then our first hit, legitimate hit the break, going out to Panthers, number 98 out of 199. That's a Calvin Benjamin for the Panthers. That's going out to Bob. We had a baby. Pizza boy. Nice hit on that one, Bobby. In Dallas, and we are awaiting the 77th overall pick in the draft. The Vikings traded with the Chiefs because the Chiefs traded up from 80, and then the Vikings moved down to 80 and then just traded back into the Lions. So there's lots of trading. The Vikings keep trading down from massive picks. Let's head to the stage right now. The commissioner coming back out again.
The NFL joins all Americans in supporting active duty and veteran service members.
All right, next pair. Oh, let's get the music going.
Campaign honors their commitment and their love of our country.
Sorry, everybody. I'm teasing you. Start the breakup, then I stop on you. All right. I'm vetoed. New Kids on the Block. No. Nice chunker, too. per pack. Next up for the Falcons, Julio Jones, 135 149. Falcons, it's going out to West Side. For 49ers, 399. That's a Carlos Hyde. Team symbols. 49ers going out to West Side. Love that, man. Looks like they got fingerprints on it. Look at that. There's straight up fingerprints on this card. Big ass thumbprint on it. Huh. And for the Packers, numbered 55 out of 99, Eddie Lacy. Going out to Irene Nochi. And for the 49ers again, that's a massive materials, numbered 34 out of 99, Carlos Hyde. Running high, baby. He's coming for you, Carlos Hyde. Go Buckeyes. Woo! Sexy ass card, too. And for the Lions, numbered 106 out of 199, that's an Eric Ebron going out to Bozo. That last minute pickup on the Lions. Next up, we're going into the Supremes. That was an okay box of, that's a thick one, the Supreme. Black gold. I'm wrong here. Oh, never mind. I always forget the Supreme's a little bit thicker. I'm thinking of, the baseball one. Keep the hides. What? Dude, you had 14 for... Oh, we got a book. Look at that. We got a book. Nice. Good. Thank God. Baseball's going to say it. We got 2 books. We're going back-to-back books. Supreme. Nasty. All right, AJ Green for the Bengals, 46 out of 162. It's a weird number. Matt Forte for the Bears, 32 out of 144. And Emmitt Smith, 58 out of 99 for the Cowgirls. All right, we're going to hold off on your books. We're going to make you look at all these base cards first. I should make you wait till the end of the break. All right, Alfred Morris for the Skins, numbered 158 out of 162. Sammy Watkins, numbered 10 out of 25 for the Bills. Look at the Bills. That's going out to Bobby Addy boy. It's a nice Sammy. And Devontae Adams, rookie, number 11 out of 50 for the Packers. That's nice, too. That's going out to that chick. 2 nice short print rookies. Came in with the submachine Uzi. But always hard. Come talking that trash, we'll pull your car. Man, nothing in life. Be legit. Don't quote me, boy, because I ain't said shit. Alright, here we go with our double booklet action. Alright, first up, Supreme Dual Autograph Patch Card. Wow. Holy shit. Boom. Wow. This is going to be a random, and this is disgusting. Numbered 6 out of 15. Tom Brady, Peyton Manning, dual booklet, relic auto, 6 out of 15. Wow. Patriots is West Side, and the Broncos is Irene. Wow. Wes against Irene. Look at that disgusting card. Wow. No, we're doing it at the end of the break. Holy crap. Wow. Unbelievable on that card, you two. Jeez. Next up, another Supreme Dual Autograph Patch card. Jeez, this one's nice too. Another random. This one's numbered 15 out of 15. Iber Juan de Juan. That is a Sammy Watkins, Mike Evans dual book rookie auto. Look at the patches on that disgustingness. Bills. That's going to Bob. We had a baby Easter boy, and the Buccaneers is Matt. That'll be a random between you two gentlemen. Wow. Dude, Supreme was just sick. Tom freaking Brady, Peyton Manning. That card is unbelievable. Wow. Absolute. Holy shit. Man. What a hit. That is unbelievable. 2 books out of Supreme. That is insanity. What's up, Blake? Baseball sucks so bad. We need this football break to be big. That baseball break depressed me. It's like on like Big Bong Jack. Where's your number one box number? I know, Blake. I'm sorry, brother. It was bad, dude. That football or baseball break was so bad, dude. Probably one of the worst breaks I've ever done. Which is weird, because Diamond Kings has been hitting for me, too. It's just this last batch of Diamond Kings is just fuck. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, one quick seed. Alright, for the Colts, we have a quad. Hakeem Nicks, Reggie Wayne, Trent Richardson, and Andrew Luck. Hog Head and RG. Where the heck am I, Nigo? For the Skins. Blue in the back. I'm still in shock over that card. I can't believe I have that card. That's an insane card. Next up, the Cardinals, Patrick Peterson. Numbered 6/20 for the Lions. That's a Matt Stafford Hog Heaven out of 20. That's going out to Muscle. I know, man. I saw that, brother. Good luck on that one, too. And for the Rams, it's an EJ Gaines, 70 out of 99 rookie. Oh, man. Pitt and Irene versus Wes on that card, too, is insane. Next up, for the Panthers, that's a Kelvin Benjamin 6-way. 19 out of 249 with that nasty 3-color. That's going out to Bob Wheat. Atta baby. Boy. Getting a lot of the Kelvin Benjamins tonight. Next up for the 49ers, that's a Colin Kaepernick 4-way. I like 4-ways and 6-ways. 242 out of 249. 49ers is going out there with side. All right, Chuck, go be easy, brother. Next up for them Broncos, number 127 out of 249, it's Monte's ball sack. Come with me. Check that link. Hold on. Are you fucking kidding me? $1,000 card? Wow. For the Lions, that's a Joseph Pereira. However you say that, auto. That's going out to Boss Hog. Freaking $2,000 card, man. Unreal. For the Raiders, Numbered 44 out of 99. It's a Khalil Mack. Player worn helmet. The Raiders. West Side. 2000. I don't doubt it, man. Peyton Manning and freaking Tom Brady on one card. All right, and realized everybody gets a big 150 points. Boo! Still randoms. Boo! All right, Jamal Dawes for the Chiefs. Trey Burton rookie for the E-Girls. No Sean Reno for the Fish, number 479. Dolphins. It's going out to Jacob. And quad. We're going to randomize this one. That's Lee Bortles, Derek Carr, T. West, and Jimmy Garoppolo. What the hell? Blake Bortles, Derek Carr, Jimmy Garoppolo. We'll throw T. West in there. Why not throw like Johnny Coquette? That makes no sense. Or just dumb. Yeah, that's the dumbest card I've ever seen. Johnny Cokehead. Leave Johnny alone. He's a good boy. Sorry, man. I'm just fucking around. But seriously, dude. That's a ridiculous card. I'm making you guys wait, too. Jeez, is this like this? Huh. Another measurement six-way. 58 out of 99. For we have baby Pizza Boy. Just has the same card in the last box. You got two of them now. Same with this for the 49ers. Colin Kaepernick four-way. 147 out of 249. Going out to West Side. Just got that card too. What the fuck? That's the same first two cards. We just went back to back on. Here's a different card for the Cowgirls. Number 229 out of 249. That's a Tony Homo. Cowgirls. That's going out to Insider. All up Insider. For the 49ers. Numbered 158 out of 249. Running hot. He's coming for you, Carlos Hyde. Go Buckeyes. That's going out the West Side. Got 3 hides in there. 3. No, dude. I want to so bad, but come on, man. You got a ton of teams in this break. All right, for the Packers, number 13 out of 25. That's a Jarrett Boykin. He's boyking everything out there. 49ers, that's going after that chick, Irie. $2,000 for that card. And for the tight ones, the Sean Green quad, 19 out of 99. The tight ones. Titans going out there with sword.
I can make that happen. Can you print business cards? Staples, can you print business cards?
And for the Chiefs, number 282 out of 99. That's an Aaron Murray quad RPA. The Chiefs. Let's start.
Staples make more happen. Now at Staples, get 40% off large banner
Let's
posters and
start.
one signs. Large banners, posters, one signs, store online.
Oh my God. Show it again. Because. Nope. Just messing with you guys. I have one of my mags. Just give it to you guys, and I'll put it in. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that now. I just got my Carlos Hydes put in here, too. Damn it. Ronaldo. There you go. All right. Stop the break. You guys back? One more. Was it Rose Trusty Man putting it in the frame? Alright, I'll give you guys a second. I'm just pulling the packs out of this museum. So we're not doing cards yet. We're just opening up the museum boxes. It's all on YouTube recording anyways. No, I did not. It's on the YouTube recording. You guys are fine. Well, I just bought those from my hides, man. I just bought those two. I've been like honing about buying for myself. About one on each of the last two orders for my Carlos hides. I give them up for you guys in your place. Damn it. That's probably one of the nicest cards I've ever pulled. That's a sick card. Alright, before I start opening up, so everybody live again. Everybody have B. No, I don't do that. I was just kind of bummed. I just got my hide in there. Now I'm all just kind of bummed. I was excited to have them there. I just need to have those on hand for you guys. I pull a card like that. Give me a minute. I'm going to wait for make sure it's live again. Arturo was going to buy some of those Supremes too. And then he pulled out and decided not to. He said he had a feeling. This was your football song? Which one was Wes's? Wes used to listen to a rap song too to get going for his games. Wait That's awesome, Irene. Stop it, Wes. Alright, Bob's back. Here we go. First pack of museum. Good luck, everybody. We got a first redemption, too. Alright, 4E Chiefs. That's a red. Jamal Charles. Number 33 out of 50 for the Chiefs. Scam Newton. Marcus Allen. Sammy Watkins rookie. And your redemption sauce. Top sideline redemption card. Congratulations. You have received a Museum Collection silver framed auto. Booyah! Of who? I'm a Marshall for the the Bears. Wow. Who's got the Bears? Wes. Dude. Nasty hit, bro. Got her BC. That's a nice card, Wes. That's Brandon Marshall. Wes is on fire tonight. Hit or green. That's a nice card, man. Silver frame. Next up, Case hit too. Megatron for the Lions. It's Smith. Aaron Murray rookie for the Chiefs. And Cam Newton for the Panthers. And for the Raiders, that's a Khalil Mack jumbo. 35 out of 115 for the Raiders. Going out to again. Oh! Let me sleeve this stuff. That'll give them time to get live again. You back? Wes, are you back? Bob's back. Steve, you're good. Wes, you're not back? Let's give him a second, see if we can get him back. Woo! That's a cool card. Is Breakers crashing or what? You guys see and hear me? You're back? Sider, are you back? Bobby, are you back? Yeah, it looks like Breakers is crashing is what's going on. Of course, right in the best break of the night. You're back, Irene? No, the last one was just the Khalil Mack after the Brandon Marshall, and that's it. I've only done 2 packs of the museum so far. All right, Sider, you're back. Is anybody else still black screen right now? You still good, Steve? Bob, you're not back? Damn it. Bob, try to refresh, bro. Unbelievable card. It's so disgusting. It's an amazing card. Unbelievable. You know what? That's actually my first ever Tom Brady auto that I've ever pulled. I pulled Peyton Manning a bunch of times, but never Tom Brady. Oh. Yeah, I don't get much on him. Bobby, are you back, bro? No, no way. I would never do anything to that card. That card is too freaking phenomenal. Go Buckeyes. Those guys up there. Okay, is everybody back? Are we good to go, or what are we doing? I'm too much in the room. I'm just worried. Did you try to refresh, Bob? You got to refresh, bro. Have you really? It must just be a great week, bro. I'm serious. I rip a ton of product. That's my first ever Brady. And I rip a ton of product. And I pulled some nice cards. What's up, Barry? Bob, can you still hear me at least? Now Steve's froze. Damn it. Come on, breakers. And Irene are sitting there like, what the fuck? Everybody froze again? Now you're back, Bobby. Ryder's back. Wes, Irene. Steve's back. Giggity giggity. There goes Bob. You're back. Choppy. Yeah, Choppy. I'm seeing. Wes, you're here. Let's start on before it locks up on us again. All right, next pack. It's only pack 3 of the museums. All right, Eric Dickerson, Copper for the Raiders. Brandon Marshall for the Bears. For the Britters. Jimmy G for the Patriots. And for the tight ones, number 101 out of 200. That's a stanky. Titans, that's going up to West Side. Nope. The very first pack I've touched since it started. I mean, that's only pack 3 of the museums. We had the Brandon Marshall silver frame, the Khalil Mack, and then Sankey. All right, here we go. Pack number. This is first box, basically. Damn it. Running high, baby. He's coming for you. Carlos High. Go Buckeyes. Blue rookie auto. That was numbered 75 out of 99. Derek Carr, rookie for the Raiders. Stanky rookie for the tight ones. And Gronk. Wow. Numbered 6 out of 50. Stanky quad piece. That was a freaking Titans box. Going out to West Side. Jeez. Wes, you are mopping up this break. Dude, you can't give me all those sides, man. I want them so bad, but I would feel freaking awful. Because those are sick. All right, last box of museum, and then let's do our randomizers. I'm slow rolling the crap out of this because I know Wes and Irene are just sweating bullets over for that card. There you got the Lions Copper rookie. Oh my, Deion Sanders. That's cool. And a Johnny Cokehead rookie for the Browns. And for the Green Bay Packers, that is a Devontae Adams on card, 49 out of 50. The Packers going out to that chick Irene. I know I'm killing you, Irene. I'm sorry. I'm just messing around. But honestly, I am just taking time to protect the cards as usual. It's the choppiness of breakers. Next up, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers, Copper. Team placed a B rookie for the Vikings. Russell Wilson and Emmitt Smith for the Cowgirls. And for the Jaguars, Marquise numbered 102 of 15 jumbo. This has been like the Irene and West break. You guys are just hitting like crazy. On the Panthers, man. He's got what, 3 Dungeons? All right. For the Raiders, number 26 out of 50. That was so. Aaron Rodgers, Anthony Chiefs, and the New York Giants, Andre Williams, numbered 162 out of 200 RPA. That's going out to Mickey Matt. Matt. The randomizer is going to be just brutal. I'm going to feel awful for somebody. I'm elated for one person and feel awful for the other in that one. That's a rough one. Ooh, that's what riders roll. All right, last pack, and then we go to the randomizer. That is Jordy Nelson for the Packers, Copper. Charles Sims for the Bucks. There's Girls. Gus Ayers for the Bears. Nice. Another randomizer. Number 35 to 99. Sammy Watkins, Mike Evans, Kelvin Benjamin, and Brandon Cooks. We got the Bills, which is Bobby Attababy Boy. The Bucks, which is Matt. The Panthers is Bobby. And the Saints, that's Matt. As well. We'll do that one first. Yeah, the Saints. Saints. Oh yeah, sorry, New Orleans Saints. Steve, sorry. My eyes aren't working tonight for some reason. But yeah, you're right, Steve. I got it on the list. You're fine, don't worry. I've missed it twice tonight. All right, so we have 3, 4, 5 different randomizers. So first up, we're going to randomize everybody's name for the points. Wes and Irene are going to freaking kill me. You don't know me, buddy. No, the points are the worst. We're going to do the points first. Well, actually, points aren't too bad now. She's so mad at me right now, too. Her and Wes both. Oh, damn it. All right, so points. This would be for all the randomizers. We're going 6 times. 6 times on everything we're randomizing tonight. Here we go. Here's everybody got in the break. Going 6 times. Person on top gets the points. 1, 2, 3, time, 6. It's going to west side 6 times. All right, Irene's gonna have a heart attack, so I'm gonna do that card next for you guys. I don't want anybody to have a heart attack or anything. All right, so the big one, Brady, man, Brady on the card first, Patriots first, and then the Broncos. We're gonna put both names twice. And we're going 6 times. Here we go. Patriots, Broncos, Patriots, Broncos. 6 times. 1. Come on. 2. What the hell is on the internet? 3. 4. 5. 6. And final time. 6. So what are the Patriots? The Patriots is west side. Irene, I am sorry, honey. Congratulations to Wes. Wow. 6 times. There you go, Wes. That's yours, buddy. All right, next up, we're going to do the quad. This has got the Jags, Raiders, Patriots, and the Browns. Dude, I know. What's up, brother? All right, man. I got to get back to the break. All right. Browns. All right, we're going 6 times on that card. Jags, Raiders, Pats, Browns, in order of how they appear. 1, 2. God, it's so slow. 3. Fuck, come on. 4. It's fucking Mannequin, man. 5. And 6. Going to the Browns. That's going to Steve. You get that card, Steve. Next random we're doing is going to be the quad. That's going to be the Bills, Bucks, Panthers, and the Saints. That full call was hilarious. Bills, Bucks, Panthers, and the Saints. Go 6 times. Oh, so many randoms. 1, 2, 4, 5. And let's go to Bob Wheat. Atta baby. Pizza boy. That's your card, sir. Congratulations. Nice card. Got a lot of Kelvin Benjamins in this break. And the last one, the random, that is going to be the Sammy Watkins, Mike Evans duel. So that's going to be Bills and Bucks. And Bills are first on the card. Bucks are second. So we're going Bills, Bucks. Bills, Bucks. We're going 6 times. 1, 1. Did you miss? Oh, you'll see it in a second. 2. 3. I'm going to hit recap this break. This break is sick. Beats the crap out of that stupid 4. And baseball's been where we've been hitting too. 5. And 6 in the bottom 1. Goals. Bills are going to Bob Wheat at a baby. Pizza boy. I'm getting that one too, brother. Congratulations. All right, let's hit recap it. Here we go. It's a lot. All right, that is LSJ for the Bucks. Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers. Quad, Sammy Watkins, Mike Evans, Kelvin Benjamin, Andre Williams, Devontae Adams, Bishop Sankey again, Khalil Mack, the Brandon Marshall Museum Collection Silver Frame auto, Aaron Rodgers to 99, Sean Green to 99, Jarrett Brown to 25, Carlos Hyde to 249, Tony Homo 249, 2 Colin Kaepernicks to 249, 2 Kelvin Benjamins to 99. Well, that one's to 99. This one's to 249. Khalil Mack to 99. Montez Ballsack to 249. Ebron to 199. Carlos Hyde to 99. The dual Sammy Watkins, Mike Evans to 15. And last, but certainly not least, Tom Brady, Peyton Manning, numbered 6 out of 15 dual. There's a break, everybody. Thank you for getting in.